If you are managing a condition like diabetes, heart disease, or multiple sclerosis, MS, and are planning a March break getaway, a bit of extra preparation can ensure you have a great vacation. Ask Mark, our pharmacist, for tips on traveling with your medications, including packing enough for your trip, how to store your medications, and if you might benefit from a doctor's note detailing your condition and prescriptions. You can call us at St. Andrew Pharmacy at 519-843-7515. Simply, we care.
At St. Andrew Pharmacy, Mark, our pharmacist, can prescribe medications for 13 specific minor ailments. This is a big step forward in allowing access to care for Ontario residents. It could provide more convenience to the community. What is a minor ailment? You might wonder exactly what a minor ailment is. Generally, these are conditions that can be self-limiting, resolve on its own, and be reasonably self-diagnosed. Most of the time these conditions can be managed with minimal treatments or self-care strategies. And lab tests are not usually needed to prescribe medication for these minor ailments. Ontario pharmacists are now able to prescribe for these 13 minor ailments: hay fever, allergic rhinitis, oral thrush, candidal stomatitis, pink eye, conjunctivitis, bacterial, allergic and viral, dermatitis, atopic, eczema, allergic and contact, menstrual cramps, dysmenorrhea, acid reflux, gastroesophageal reflux disease or GERD, hemorrhoids, cold sores, herpes labialis, impetigo, insect bites and hives, tick bites, post-exposure prophylaxis to prevent Lyme disease, musculoskeletal sprains and strains, urinary tract infections, uncomplicated. For more information, you can call St. Andrew Pharmacy at 519-843-7515. Simply, we care.
Did you know? 8 in 10 cases of premature heart disease and stroke are preventable through healthy lifestyle behaviors. Start taking small steps to help protect your heart health. Move more, make physical activity, from walks to swimming, a part of your regular routine. Eat well, avoid ultra-processed foods, load up on fruits and vegetables and sources of lean proteins. Maintain a healthy weight. Achieving your healthy size can be challenging, but the effort is worth it. It's Valentine's Day. Show your heart some love today with a few healthy lifestyle changes. Speak to Mark, our pharmacist, for more information. At St. Andrew Pharmacy. Simply, we care.
Let's talk about gas and bloating. Sometimes the reason for a suddenly snug waistband is obvious, like those 2 extra slices of pizza you had for dinner. But if you often have a swollen stomach, it could be due to a digestive issue, food intolerance, or even hormone fluctuations. Beat the bloat with these smart strategies. Eat slowly, nibble on smaller, or more frequent meals. Drink room temperature beverages, avoid steaming mugs of tea and ice-cold glasses of juice and water. Mind your posture, sit up straight after you eat, particularly following large meals. For more tips on how to treat gas and bloating, please call St. Andrew Pharmacy at 519-843-7515. Simply, we care.
Many of us enjoy a good morning cup of coffee, but have you ever asked, can I take my medications with my morning coffee? Coffee can affect how some drugs work in your body, in some cases making your medication absorb into your system faster, which could be an issue. Our pharmacist can review everything you're taking, including prescriptions, vitamins, and other supplements, to check for interactions and advise on the best times of day to take them. Please, call St. Andrew Pharmacy at 519.
People with sensitivities to indoor allergens will struggle with scratchy throats and stuffy noses even more as the weather turns cool and we begin to spend more time inside. Here's what you need to know about the 3 most common indoor allergens. Pets. Most people think it's the fur, but it's actually pet dander, which comes from the skin of the cat or dog, that causes a problem. Bathe pets often and keep them out of the bedroom and off furniture, to reduce your exposure. Dust. The most common cause of indoor allergies is dust mites, the tiny creatures that live in
muscle aches and pains. Sprains result from a stretch or tear of a ligament that connects one bone to another. Strains occur because of pulling or tearing of muscle fibers, for example in the leg. Do you experience any of these symptoms? Pain, swelling or tenderness, light to medium, redness or bruising, limited motion and muscle weakness. Injury is associated with overworking of muscle or joint. Injured Give St. Andrew Pharmacy a call at 519-843-75.
Let's talk about mental health. Everyone experiences challenges regarding their mental well-being at some point in their lives. Sometimes, one of the best ways to help a friend, family member, or colleague who is struggling is to make them feel seen and heard. Check out this article from the Canadian Mental Health Association on how to be a more attentive and empathetic listener. Be the loved one or friend who really listens. When talking in person, find a quiet place, make a point of putting your phone away, keep eye contact and let your empathy flow. If you have concerns about your mental health, check in with St. Andrew Pharmacy. Mark, our pharmacist, can advise on when you should see your doctor or seek out other assistance. Please call St. Andrew Pharmacy at 519-843-7515. Simply, we care.
People with sensitivities to indoor allergens will struggle with scratchy throats and stuffy noses even more as the weather turns cool and we begin to spend more time inside. Here's what you need to know about the 3 most common indoor allergens. Pets. Most people think it's the fur, but it's actually pet dander, which comes from the skin of the cat or dog, that causes a problem. Bathe pets often and keep them out of the bedroom and off furniture, to reduce your exposure. Dust. The most common cause of indoor allergies is dust mites, the tiny creatures that live in dust. Keep their count down with frequent house cleaning, by using HEPA filters on your vacuum and furnace, and by washing sheets and blankets in hot water every week. Mold. Any damp surfaces, think bathtubs, houseplants, and garbage pails, can harbor mold and mildew. Keep your home dry and well ventilated by using dehumidifiers, vented exhaust fans in the kitchen and bathroom, and by using cleaning products designed to kill mold. Ask Mark, our pharmacist, to walk you through the over-the-counter remedies like antihistamines and decongestant sprays that can help soothe your indoor allergy symptoms. If you are eligible, Mark, the pharmacist, can issue you a prescription and fax it to your preferred pharmacy anywhere in Ontario. Please call St. Andrew Pharmacy at 519-843-7515. Simply, we care.